So my friends, thank you for joining, welcome. This video I wanted to say that it is a nonsensical, irrational, indoctrinated, disconnected, double standard to not want to be hurt ourselves, not want to be hurt yet, directly hurt or indirectly hurt through what we buy or support or contribute to or what we do, the hurt of others, other humans or even other animals. Think about it. It's an incongruent double standard to not want to be hurt, yet hurt deliberately directly another human or an animal, either emotionally, psychologically or physically, either directly or indirectly. For example, buying shoes or clothes made from slave labour or children in stereotypical poor countries like Africa, certain Africa countries, or by buying meat and dairy, which contribute to the hurt, yearly rape and impregnation and robbing all of their milk from the exhausted poor female cows who it's exhausting growing a baby or breastfeeding. Anyone who has any mother as a human will know this. And then killing them because they're no longer a good product anymore that produces good milk or enough milk. So that's disgusting, and but even down to the nitty-gritty, because we know this about the animals, we naturally know this, but we have to question ourselves because the corporations and the industries want to get filthy rich at our expense and at the animals' slave expense, which is sad and heinous and disgusting and insidious. But even on a human, simpler level in relationships, think about it, we don't want to be hurt, but how often do we hurt or say hurtful things or be mean or inconsiderate or very selfish, and we know it can hurt, or insult? So it's really important, and I like to encourage heart-centeredness, both towards our friends and family and relatives and our partners, our children and our parents and our brothers and sisters, everybody, strangers, but also think about any hurt towards animals and extend unconditional love and care and nurture and protection towards children who aren't our biological selves, and to extend love, care, nurture and protection towards other families and other people who aren't biologically directly related as family, but also of course towards animals who aren't directly family related as our pets that we call our pets. So this shedding and removing of the rubbish that have been fed to us by the organizations and the companies and the corporations, so they can get rich at the animals and the humans at our expense. This removing, the cleaning and clearing in our mind and our hearts helps us to tune into the unconditional love that we are. It's love without conditions. It's protect and care and love and nurture and nourishment that we want to give naturally and instinctively and intuitively. We want to protect, we want to save, we want to help, we want to care. We want to foster well-being. We don't want to kill, it's not our instinct. We don't want to rape, it's not our instinct. We all know rape and killing is wrong, as I said in the previous video made today. So everybody, some people, I made another video today about out of sight, out of mind. Sometimes we don't think to care about what we don't see. It's we don't want to bloody massacre or murder a whole lot of animals or our pet, but when it goes on behind closed doors that we don't see, it's easy to forget. So this video is about awakening and becoming clearer in our hearts and in our minds. So we don't have to be victims of the corporations trying to get rich at our expenses and other living beings' expenses. So we don't have to succumb to forgive them for they don't know what to do, as Jesus said. Let us know what we're doing and let us tune into our truth, so we can feel emotionally amazing, tuned in, connected. This is a magical blessing, everyone, to feel the love and the care and the protection that I naturally feel. Well, that I've tuned into what I naturally am capable and would normally feel had I not been filled with a whole lot of rubbish from the media, selling us products that we don't want or don't need and make us sick, especially the ones that are animal products or definitely not human products. Don't want any human products, because human trafficking, human sex trafficking and human organ trafficking actually exist, and human slavery to a degree exists. So everybody, animals, but human stuff, there's a whole lot of stuff that's immorally and unethically, it's wrong, it's serious, it's not good to keep a quiet mouth, but understand and forgive them for not knowing what to do. But it's just, I've been programmed, I've been indoctrinated. It's all about helping each other. One love, one family. Let us try and wake up and help each other to wake up with care and with care. You know, it's serious. It's a lot of stuff is heinous and hideous, but so many of our friends and family and our society doesn't know. They're just blindfolded. They're unconsciously programmed and they don't even think about it. Out of sight, out of mind. If it's popular or considered normal or common, they don't even think about it. They don't even question themselves. But in this video I want to invite you from my heart to question your behaviour and actions, not just towards the animals, because that's obviously is wrong and it's double standard. It's plain obvious when you investigate it a little bit. But also go deeper and go into how you behave and treat other humans, because it's very easy insight in mind with humans when they're right in front of us to treat them in a way that can be hurtful emotionally and physically. Well, not really physically, not too much stuff like, you know, sometimes that happens as physical altercations, but let's be more deeply heart-centered, like for the well-being of other humans in our family and especially even our partners, because it's usually our partners or our closest people we live with or are closest to or have attachments to that we end up hurting the most, because we just, I don't know, it just goes beyond us and everyone else is doing it, so we think it's normal. But what's normal or common isn't necessarily right, as I said today extensively already in a bunch of other videos. So yeah, let's try and really nurture and protect and love and build up and uplift our partners and our loved ones, friends and family, my friends, and the people in our community and the people across the world we don't even know. See, love isn't just towards those we know or who give back to us directly, but the people who can never give back to us. It's love, unconditional, true, real love is about protecting, loving, nurturing, building and uplifting everybody on the entire planet and every animal too. It's not about using, abusing, exploiting or enslavement of any human or animal. And that's obvious once we think about it rationally and logically and we tune into a deeper part of our feelings and intuition. So everybody, thank you for watching and have a beautiful day. Please do like, share and subscribe. Spread this message for other people. I hope you can hear me on this beautiful beach in Ireland. And yeah, lots of love. I'm going to have some durian. And yeah, this is a serious matter, so please do share and befriend me on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell button. Check out my playlists and other bonuses and free offers and other sources and resources I have for you. Yeah. So thanks. I'd love to collaborate and connect. And until then, have a beautiful day and peace, love and light be with you. And you are peace, love and light, and so are we all, underneath all the programming and rubbish. One love, one family. This is Owen Fox here. Talk to you again in another video.